Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to download and install Steam on your Mac. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a like, it really helps the channel out. Now, let's get straight into it. So, right now, Steam isn't available on the Mac App Store. That means we'll need to grab it from the official Steam website. Open up your browser. I'm using Safari, but Chrome, Firefox, or any browser works fine. Head over to the search bar and type in Steam. Make sure you click on the official link, which is store.steampowered.com. Once your home page, look to the top right corner again and click on Install Steam. That takes you to the download page. Hit Install Steam one more time, and your Mac will start downloading a file called steam.dmg. If you're on Safari, you'll see it in your downloads. On other browsers, just head to Finder, then Downloads to locate it. Now, let's install it. Open the steam.dmg file and you'll see a window pop up. Just drag Steam into your Applications folder. Wait for it to copy, then close the installer window. You can also eject the installer from Finder if you want. Next, go to Launchpad and open Steam from your applications. Your Mac might ask if you're sure you want to open it. Just hit Open. Steam will now update itself. This part takes a little time because the first download was just the launcher. Once it's done, Steam will launch automatically. And that's it. You've successfully installed Steam on your Mac. Now you can start downloading and playing your favorite games. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.